Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to do a detailed comparison of Kicker and Pioneer subwoofers and speakers. If you're into upgrading your car's sound system or just looking to enhance your listening experience on the road, you've probably come across these two brands. But which one should you choose for your car's subwoofers and speakers? That's what we're here to find out. First off, let's talk about Kicker. Kicker is known for its high-quality subwoofers and speakers that are designed to deliver powerful bass and clear audio. They've been around since 1973 and have built a reputation for innovation and performance. One of their signature products is the Kicker Compatibility series, which is popular among car audio enthusiasts for its balance between price and performance. On the other hand, Pioneer is a household name in the audio industry, offering a wide range of products from receivers to speakers and subwoofers. Pioneer has been in the game since 1938 and is renowned for its cutting-edge technology and reliable performance. Their car audio line includes the Pioneer TSC series, which is highly regarded for its clarity and detail in sound reproduction. So, when it comes to choosing between Kicker and Pioneer for your car audio needs, there are several factors to consider: sound quality, build quality, price, and compatibility with your vehicle. Let's start with sound quality. Both brands are known for their exceptional audio performance, but they have different strengths. Kicker is often praised for its bass response. If you're into genres like hip-hop, electronic, or rock, where bass is a key element, Kicker might be the way to go. Their subwoofers are designed to deliver deep, powerful bass that can really make your music come alive. Pioneer, on the other hand, is known for its balanced sound signature. Their speakers are praised for their clarity and detail, making them excellent for a wide range of music genres. If you listen to a variety of music, from classical to pop, Pioneer might offer a more versatile sound. Now, build quality is another important aspect. Both brands are known for their durable products, but Kicker is particularly renowned for its robust subwoofers. They use high-quality materials and construction methods to ensure that their subs can handle high power levels without distortion. Pioneer also uses high-quality components, but their focus is more on precision and reliability. When it comes to price, Pioneer is often seen as the more budget-friendly option compared to Kicker. This doesn't mean Pioneer sacrifices quality. It simply offers great value for money. If you're working with a tighter budget but still want solid performance, Pioneer could be the better choice. Kicker, while typically more expensive, often includes premium features and high-end technologies that justify its higher price tag. Compatibility is also a crucial factor. You need to ensure that the subwoofers and speakers you choose will fit properly in your vehicle and integrate well with your existing audio system. Both Kicker and Pioneer offer a wide range of products in different sizes and configurations to suit various vehicles. It's essential to measure your vehicle's dimensions and check the product specifications to ensure a proper fit. Another aspect to consider is the warranty and customer support. Both brands offer warranties on their products, but the duration and coverage may vary. It's always a good idea to check the warranty details and see what kind of customer support is available in case you encounter any issues. Now, let's talk about specific products. For subwoofers, Kicker's Compatibility series is a popular choice. These subwoofers are known for their exceptional bass response and are available in various sizes to fit different vehicles. The Kicker Compatibility 10 subwoofer, for example, is a favorite among many car audio enthusiasts for its balance between power and clarity. Pioneer, on the other hand, offers the TSC series, which includes subwoofers designed for both quality and performance. The Pioneer TSD12D4, for instance, is a 12 subwoofer that delivers deep bass and exceptional clarity. It's a bit pricier than some Kicker options, but it comes with advanced features like a cast aluminum frame for improved rigidity. Moving on to speakers, Kicker's CS series is a great option for those looking to upgrade their car's sound without breaking the bank. These coaxial speakers offer improved sound quality over factory speakers and are easy to install. The Kicker CS Series 6.5 speakers, for example, provide clear highs and mids with decent bass response for their size. Pioneer's A series also includes speakers that are highly regarded for their sound quality. The TSA 1671 f6.5 speakers, for instance, are known for their detailed sound reproduction and smooth frequency response. They might be a bit cheaper than Kicker's offerings, but they offer superior sound quality. Another factor to consider is the ease of installation. Both brands provide detailed installation guides and sometimes include necessary hardware with the purchase. However, some models may require professional installation, especially if you're dealing with complex vehicle architectures or if you're not confident in your DIY skills. It's also worth mentioning that both Kicker and Pioneer offer component speakers, which separate the tweeters and woofers for better sound staging and clarity. If you're serious about enhancing your car's audio system, investing in component speakers can make a significant difference. In terms of amplifiers, both brands offer a variety of options to power your subwoofers and speakers. Kicker's KX series amplifiers are popular for their high power output and reliability, while Pioneer's GM series amplifiers are known for their clean sound and advanced features. When it comes to wiring and accessories, again, both brands provide a range of products to ensure optimal performance. It's essential to have proper wiring and fuses to protect your audio system and prevent any electrical issues in your vehicle. Now I'd like to share some real-world experiences and reviews from other car audio enthusiasts. Many users praise Kicker for its bass performance, but it's worth noting that Kicker products are often more expensive compared to Pioneer. Despite the higher price, users appreciate the impressive sound quality that Kicker offers. However, some users have reported issues with distortion at higher volumes with certain Kicker subwoofers, so it's essential to choose the right subwoofer and amplifier combination to avoid this. On the other hand, Pioneer receives accolades for its overall sound quality and build quality. Users appreciate the precision and attention to detail in Pioneer's products. While Pioneer's higher-end products can be a bit pricey, their low and mid-budget options offer a good balance between performance and affordability. It's always a good idea to read reviews and consider your budget when choosing between these two brands. It's also worth considering the aesthetic appeal of the speakers and subwoofers. Both brands offer products with clean designs that can complement your vehicle's interior. Some models even come with grills and finishes that can enhance the look of your audio system. In conclusion, both Kicker and Pioneer are excellent choices for car audio upgrades, but they cater to different preferences and needs. If you're looking for powerful bass and a budget-friendly option, Kicker might be the way to go. For those who prefer a balanced sound signature and are willing to invest a bit more, Pioneer could be the better choice. Remember to consider factors such as sound quality, build quality, price, compatibility, and warranty when making your decision. It's also a good idea to read reviews and seek recommendations from other car audio enthusiasts to get a better understanding of each brand's strengths and weaknesses. I hope this comparison has been helpful in guiding you towards the best car audio upgrade for your vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences with Kicker and Pioneer products. Happy listening!